Well, hi everybody, Bill here. Hey, today we're going to continue tackling these three buildings I want to tear down. We tore down building number 1 in a previous video. Today we're on building 2, and building 3 is coming real soon. This building was a little more stubborn than I expected.
Welcome to Bill Burkhart's Adventures in Iowa.
Before we bring the tractor in, I went inside and cut the top plates and cut some 2x and put some cuts into the wall panels, hoping to weaken that structure up a little bit so it'll come down easy. The first wall came off pretty uneventful, didn't it? But then I decided, well, I'll just put the grapple up on top and see if I can pull it down, pull that wall out from underneath it. And I was surprised how stubborn it was. When I got the grapple on there, the tractor came up. I was hoping it could pull that structure down, but that didn't work, did it? The sidewall was acting like a crutch, kind of holding it up. So I hit it again by the door to try to loosen the structure. And I'm always aware of the construction debris falling on the tractor. I've always got my foot ready to go to reverse and get the heck out of there if something changes, and I don't want the building to fall down on the lifting arms of my tractor. Hey, time for a few shout-outs. I want to say hi to Gail Maxfield, excuse me, Gail. And he is in Tasmania, Australia. Look it up. That's pretty cool. He's looking to soil pulverize. I wish him best of luck. They've been kind of dry down there. I hope to get the rains as they move in fall and winter. So thanks for checking in, Gail. Much appreciated. I have to say, looking at the video on this is a testimony of just how well built the Everything Attachments are. I've had other grapples, but I really appreciate the clamping force that I can get on the materials. And I see Everything Attachments seems to be back up and running and kicking out good high-quality products again. Now, I have a single leaf or top grapple part. One viewer said he would never buy a single. He would always go with doubles. It's your decision. You check it out and make the best decision that you can, and I hope you have good luck with it. But Everything Attachments, that's a great product. Obviously, before Demolition, I made sure the gas and electric were disconnected, and any other things that I wanted to save and salvage were removed. I'm moving the rubble to the burn pile here, and it's kind of tight quarters. There's a retaining wall behind me. I don't want to drive off of that, so I had to be careful. I also wanted to make sure I wasn't running over nails. There's a lot of nails laying around. I don't want to get a flat. So far, so good. Well, that's going to wrap up this video. Be sure and subscribe so you don't miss the big tear down as we get that torn down. I've got to get it down by July. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. You have a great week, and I will talk to you real soon. So long.